Alright, so my task is to implement function at atoi, which just converts a string into a number. So int atoi string s. So for int I equals 0, I is less than s dot length, I plus plus. So if any of them are not numeric values between 1 and 9, meaning if s dot char at, so I shouldn't have done char at, s dot si is bigger than character 9, or smaller than character 0, throw invalid format exception. So it's going to throw an exception, right? If not, then we have a valid format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the value. So I'm going to set equal to 0 right now. So depending on where it's at, I'm going to use a little bit of math. So if so I'm going to subtract from 0. So int value is s dot I minus character 0 times so I'm going to do that, and then for int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot length minus I, so it should be j. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna get the 10th factor, so like the power factor. So if it's like 0, it's gonna be 1 essentially. So int 10f stands for the factor. So yeah, f is f times 10. So I'm gonna add value. So there should be int value is equal to value times 10f. So if it's 0, you multiply by 1. In other words, you're like multiplying in place with the 10th digit. So like 10th power. So the math goes 10 to the power of, like, if it was 671, goes 10 to the power of 2 times 6 plus 7 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 10 to the power of 0, which is 1. So that's why it set 10 factor default value as 1. So after the for loop, I'm going to return value.